Hello, welcome to part 13 of Dating Social Networking Website. And in this video, we are going to work on some of the things that we are left with. Like uh, First, we are going to give here a register link. Okay, see, we have done login link. We have created the register blade file register page. We have created, but so far we have not given here register link. So we will give here some register link here or here. We can give register link, and after that, one thing that every time when user register, we will directly take the user to the dating form. Right now, what's happening? After registration, we need to log in. User need to log in, but that is not the right thing. We will take the user directly to the second form, that is the dating form. Okay, that thing we are going to do, and after that, we are going to add validation to our dating form. Okay, uh, I will show you the after login. See what's happening right now. There is no validation at all, and but we need to add some kind of validation in our dating form, like we have done here. See, like we have done here. So we need to add some kind of validation to our dating form. Right now there is no validation. If you click on submit, some error message will come because uh, we have not added any validations, and there also we need to means we will not add validation for all the fields, but some of the main fields we will add validation for, and for rest of the fields uh, we will update at step 2 function. Okay, so these things we are going to do in this video, and then after that we will work on the admin panel, that user approval process, that the admin will approve any account. Okay, so let's start with it. Okay then. Okay then. Yeah, let's start with it then. In uh, part 13, uh, we will uh, here will add register link at sidebar and in our login, and then we'll directly redirect the user to dating uh, form once he registers. Okay, uh, we will also add jQuery validation to our dating form. Okay, these are the things we will do, and starting with the first step. Okay, first we are going to update that front sidebar. Okay, that front underscore sidebar dot blade dot php file. We will update front sidebar to show the register link. So, show the regis register link so that user can click on it for registration process. Registration process. Okay. Spelling, wrong spelling. You can check with Google for spelling mistake if I am making some kind of spelling mistake here. Okay. So okay, and now I will open the front sidebar. Yes, front sidebar. Yes. work on this front sidebar, and we'll show here a register link. Okay, we can just simply copy paste this part, okay, like this, and then we can make this here. We can show the link here. Okay, so what we can do, we can give something like h3, and then after simply a href, then we will give the register URL. Okay, we are having this one register, like I have shown you, we have created earlier register like this. Then we can give like new user register like this. We can give, or your own wording, you can give any wording you want. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this one and see here it comes. Okay, it seems to be fine. Okay, you can add one break. I don't have much idea of design. Okay, so you can add like this. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so you will click on this one, then register form will open. Okay, now what we want, that if someone fills this form and click on register now button, then it will directly move to step 2, that is the dating form. Okay, so what we will do now, we will going to update register function. Okay, now we will update register function in UsesController, and after saving the user, uh, uh, we will redirect the user to dating form directly. Okay, and for that we have to use auth attempt. Okay, uh, so that we can use auth. We can start auth for the user. Okay, uh, okay, and that's fine. Okay, so I will show you here. I am going to open UsesController. See, okay, yeah. Then here after in register function, after saving the user, what I am going to do, like we used to do in login, the same process like we used to do. So we used to check email, password. If it's coming fine, then it will we will use auth attempt. Okay, see here, email. It will check email. In email is fine. Email is compared with email that passed by the user. Password is compared with the password, and there is no admin, because this is not for admin. This is for front. And then we will put front session. Okay, we will put email in front session variable, and after that we redirected it to step 2. So we will follow the same thing again, the same thing here as well, after saving the user. Nothing else we need to do. Simple. And we will do like this, and see here, see email. In the mail, we will data email we will enter. It will cross check password. It will cross check password and admin 0. Then it will work fine like this. Okay, this data we have added. Now we're going to refresh, and I'm going to now register the new user here. Now we will see. Okay, I'm going to use some other test account. Any test account you can use. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Weak password we are giving, not an issue. Okay, now give it name, this I need to post, and this one captcha. Okay. Now after doing this, we need to click on register now. Now we will see now it directly comes to step 2. Okay, see we have done, means now see it directly comes to step 2. You no need to click on login, and here also it's coming fine. Add dating profile, logout links are coming, means now it's totally fine. So now we have reached here. Okay, so it's fine. Now that thing we want to do, and now we are going to add a validation in our dating form. Okay, so you have seen that we have given the validation to our register form in the beginning form, and now we will do validation in register form as well. Okay, so first of all, we will check our step 2, in which we have given this form, and we will give some ID and name to the form. Okay, we will update this file. Okay, in step update step 2.blade.php. Okay, give some ID and name to our dating form, and okay, so now we will give like see where what we have given in our register. Identical to that, we will give here. This is not a register. Okay, like we have given here sign up form, and here we will give like dating form. Okay, like this dating form. Then we have also dating form, like this. Okay, dating form we will give here. Okay, okay. So after that, we will update main.js. Okay, and we'll add validation here. Okay, so date main.js file. Now update main.js file to add validations for dating form ID. Okay, now we will do this thing. Okay, so what we will do, we can copy first these validations. Okay, we'll do like this simply. Then we'll make changes when we get dating form on, and here also we will give dating form like this. Okay, so after giving this one, now we will check the validation that we want to give. We can give validation to date of birth, gender, height, marital status, and to about myself or important details as well. Okay, so these are the fields that are required, and other fields we can left. Okay, so now we can give the validation, required validation to fields like DOB, gender, height, marital status. Okay, and about myself, and partner details, and we will also give minimum length validation for uh, about myself and partner details test area. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, we will do now. What we are doing here, I'm going to do here. Now see, first is the DOB field, and these two are not required. So you can simply give like this DOB. Okay, and after that gender like this. Okay, and then height, marital status also copy height 10, 10, like this. Okay, and after that we can do for about myself. Like this. And we can add minimum length for it like 20, and partner details as well, and this one also we can add minimum length 20 for it as well. Okay, so this one is okay, agree. This one is not required. Okay, so we can remove this one, this. Okay. So here also we will do like for DOB, please enter your date of birth like this. Then after that gender also 4 times I am adding. For gender, select your gender. Here we will add like to select your gender. Okay, and after that height, reflect your height, and marital status, reflect your marital status. Okay, so I'm going to add like this. Okay, you can also add any third party validation, means any other validation, jQuery validation uh, from Google. Okay, select your marital status like this. Okay, so after that we will do for about myself. Here also we will write, please provide your details. Okay, and uh, your details must be at least 20 characters long like this. Okay, so partner details also we can do the same thing. Please provide your uh, partner details. Here I will write partner, and same thing here for minimum length. Okay, 20 characters, and rest of the things we can simply remove. Okay, now it's fine. Now we can check that it's working fine or not. We are going to refresh the form, and then we'll click on submit. See, it's working fine now. See, partner details not coming. We check why it's not coming. We see that what we have done here. It's field ID about partner. Sorry, it is about partner. So we will do about partner here at both the places. I'm going to refresh again, and we'll see if it is working. See, now it is working fine as well. Okay, also check under the other validation. If you are going to add less characters, then it will say your detail must be at least 20 characters long. Okay, see here. Okay, So if you will add something more, then it will not show error. Okay, but uh, see, uh, we can also add some kind of sign here if you want to add like the user comes to know that which fields are mandatory, so you can add like this. Okay, here you can add like this. For some of these fields you can add here, or you can add at the end also. Okay, it's your wish that where you want to add. Okay, so you can add this sign, and see here you can add height, so that vital setup. Then after that, last two one, about myself and about my partner details. Okay, see now. Okay, now we have added uh, here. We will not add here. We will add here. And like this. Okay, so now it's fine. Okay, now see, if we will fill this form and we submit it and without filling other data, then it will show error to us. See, it will show error because first need to sneeze, otherwise it will not load. See, because we have to update the step 2 function for the empty variables. Okay, so we have to add the conditions for all these empty variables, otherwise it will show error. Okay, so now we have added these validations. Now we are going to update step 2 function. Okay, update uh, step 2 function. Now update step 2 function uh, uh, to uh, to resolve the issue that will come due to empty variables. Okay, we need uh, to add conditions for them. Okay, so let's do that thing. We need to check if the field is empty or not. Okay, so we will check here. See now, we will check one to one thing. Like first, one error will come, then okay, we want to refresh again. See all the data I'm filling now. Anything you can fill, and see. Mm, like this, and when I will click on this one, see this error is coming. Now we will pick one to one option. See hobbies. First hobbies, then we will resolve the issue with hobbies first. Okay. See, we will check if hobby is not empty, then only it will execute. This one, if it is not empty, then only we will execute. So we are going to keep this for each in hobbies itself like this. Okay, now it will not show this error. See, if it is not empty, then this for each will run, otherwise it will not run at all. Okay, so we'll check once. Now see, it's gone. Okay, in the same way we will do for languages. Okay, so very simple thing we are going to do for languages as well. Okay, see here now we have body type. So for these kind of uh, fields, we need to add the other validations empty. See if it is empty, then we need to assign some empty value to it like this. Okay, I'm going to refresh it again. City, for city also we need to do for all. Okay, we have other option as well. We can make strict mode off so that these validation, these errors will not come. But this one is better. That will not tell us that any such error, and but we it's better if we can resolve like this. Okay, so to other also country education and income will also come. Occupation will also come. Now we are going to refresh and see. Yeah, now the message has come. Your profile under review. Okay, so it's under review now. If I click on add dating profile again, it comes same message again. It means that our dating profile has been added. So we can check now that it is has been added or not. See, the dating profile has been added. Okay, will all the fields, not this time all the fields, but with the fields that we have specified. Okay, some of the fields that are mandatory, that are DOB, gender, height, marital status, about myself and about partner. We have made these fields mandatory, so the data come into these fields, and you have seen that we have made the status as 0 because still the admin need to approve this user. So this status is 0 right now, and in next video we will show the users in admin panel, and the admin can approve the status of the user, and when the admin will approve, this status will update to 1. Okay, so now I hope that everything is clear to you up till now. And okay, see now we able to add validations as well. Okay, so in next video we will work on admin panel and show users there, and admin can approve the user. So we will do that approval process in next video. Stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's all for now. And in next video we will start working on admin panel, and we'll see the users there. Okay, so that the admin can approve those. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.